To replace the battery in a Xiaomi Mi 2S motion sensor. In case the battery is dead, this is not responding anymore, the motion sensor is not working anymore, it may need a new battery. It is very easy to replace. You just need to get one CR2450 battery. If you don't have one, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get a battery for just a couple bucks. Once we have our battery, we're going to come in here and we are going to hold on to the base and we're going to press this button down. And as we press it, then we're going to turn the top body part of the motion sensor from the lock here to the unlock. Once it's on the unlock, we can just pull this body off and you'll see the battery is right inside here. You can just take the battery out and put the new battery in, putting the plus side, which is the flat side of the battery, it has a plus on it, facing outside, so facing you when you put it in. Once you do that, you'll just push this back down, slide this back over to the lock, and then you are finished.